Hello, everyone. Welcome back to One Level Per Episode Ironman. You might be wondering where I went. I have been at work. I have my job back, and it's drained me of any happiness or hope or desire to shitpost. So this series went on hiatus, and anything enjoyable went on hiatus. But I'm back now. I think we'll try and make these weekly, but we've lost 200 subscribers in the last year, so we might as well keep going. Today we're going to train magic, because it's magical that this series is somehow still going. I'm pretty sure this is season 4 or 5, I don't know. But, whatever. Let's kill this man. This could be our first level 7. It'll be our highest stat, which is pretty amazing. That's a door. Door again. Sorry if you can hear the door. I wonder if we can ever get a hit points level at the same time. That might ruin the account. But who cares? Who cares? Right, let's go kill a woman. Oh, there's another man here. Ha! Get fucked, bitch. And here we go. It's gonna be a level coming in now. Boom! Level 7. It's good to be back. See you all next week for the next episode. Can I find the wave? Yes. Bye-bye.